Mastering English Phrases, Unpacking Watering Can in Hand. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the picturesque world of English phrases, focusing on one that paints a vivid image. Watering can in hand. This phrase is not just about gardening tools. It's a gateway into understanding how English uses imagery to convey actions, readiness, and sometimes deeper meanings. Let's explore together why this phrase is interesting and how you can use it to enrich your English communication skills. The phrase, watering can in hand, might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. At its most basic, it describes someone holding a watering can, ready to water plants. The key components here are the watering can, an essential tool for gardening, and the action of holding it, implied by in hand. This phrase beautifully illustrates someone in the midst of an activity, highlighting preparation and action. English often uses simple images to convey complex ideas, and watering can in hand is no exception. Beyond describing a gardening scene, this phrase can symbolize nurturing, growth, and care. For instance, when used metaphorically, it might suggest someone is nurturing their projects or relationships, much like how water nurtures plants. It's about taking active steps to support growth and development, whether in a garden, a project, or a personal journey. You might wonder, how can I use this phrase in my conversations or writing? It's great for adding a touch of imagery or emphasizing a proactive stance. Here are a few examples. With a watering can in hand, she tends to her garden with utmost care, symbolizing her approach to life. Approaching the project with a watering can in hand, he was ready to nurture every aspect to ensure its success. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts, enriching your English with vivid imagery. Watering can in hand is more than a phrase about gardening. It's a window into the expressive capacity of the English language, offering insights into action, readiness, and care. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the beauty of English phrases and inspires you to use them in new, creative ways. Keep nurturing your language skills, and soon, you'll find your English flourishing like a well-tended garden. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning!